Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Easy cinema look in CapCut PC. So here I'll be teaching you how to make your video look like a cinema look. As you can see right here, I have a recording from a movie, but I'm gonna change. I'm gonna make it. So I'm guessing. So it's supposed to be a fast one, a fast video because I'm supposed to show you how to do it fast. So here, um, I will be giving you some intro and some edits, intro and some a little bit of effects, and there, yeah, some of those. So yeah, let's get started. For the intro, let's say the movie is Superman or something like this. Let's say Superman right here. So if the movie is Superman, so we're gonna add this one right here. For adding that, we're gonna add a text right here. We're gonna adjust it to make it fully zoomed in. So let's say that. Let's see if it's blocks. There you go, blocks. Blocks the superhero. Let's make it 8 seconds long. Now we're gonna add the text. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a cinematic intro for any kind of regular movie stuff. Now choose any of this which you want. I always choose this one. This one looks cool. So I'm gonna type in Superman. Now right here we're gonna add an effect right there for him. We're gonna add a transform. Start right there, and then when it reach right here, say right there, we're gonna transform it right there, and we're gonna max it out like very max, like 9999. Then there, boom. So when it plays, it will look like this. There you go. That looks good. Superman. There you go. Oh, okay. I think we overdid it, the numbers. We're just gonna change it right there. I'm gonna change it to like 1,000, something like that. Nope. How about 5. Yeah. What? 7,000. Oh yeah, 7,000. Oh wait, what? It is. Yeah, I think that's good enough. It's just gonna be Superman. So right here, so we added that. We're just gonna add another part here to complete our 10 seconds for it. There you go. Stay right there. There you go. I'm gonna add another default one right here. It says the same thing. Superman. So I suggest copying and just pasting it right there, and just removing those lines. There you go. There you go. And we're gonna put in Superman right there. So when the movie's gonna start, there you go. So now we're gonna create a compound clip for them. Boom. Nice little compound clip, and we're gonna put it above it here. Now we're gonna click on the video right here, then remove background, then click Chrome key, then choose the color white. Then let's go. We're gonna play it. 3, 2, 1. Superman. Oh, it looks good. As you see right there, it looks good. It's a little bit slow, but you can just change the speed of it. Now here, let's say we're right here. So right there, guys. After doing that, as you see right now, I suggest using effects like go to your filter, then choosing 1 day, so this gives a cinematic look to it. There you go. Another effect that I suggest you can use is another effect that I suggest you can use is what you call this San Francisco effect. Give that cinematic effect. That, as you can see, put in San Francisco. There you go. Other thing is the tan. This will be another cinematic effect right there for a movie. So this is very good if this movie is not really edited. So yeah. So another one is Berlin. So Berlin, something like that. So Berlin, that you're gonna see much more cinematic. So you see right there when we add the Berlin. There you go. So yeah, there you go. So number one highly suggested one is Berlin. And let's say you're just making a movie with raw footage, always cut the boring part, like the cut the part that is not necessary and don't doesn't look good for the video. And another tip, always edit from a watcher's perspective. Always try to edit and try to imagine it like you are watching the movie, like you are the watcher and not the editor. So there. So yeah. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys give it, please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.